Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are talking about Snapchat spectacles. So Snapchat came out with a few new styles of their spectacles, and I'm happy to say I have one of them to review for you guys, so let's jump right into it. First, I'm going to review all of the spectacles generations. The first generation only took 10-second videos. It came in this charging case, and they came in a few fun colors like teal, coral, and black. On to the second gen. So these ones are water resistant. You can take them in the water and through waves in the pool and take really cool underwater videos and photos. The case is also compact and smaller, so you can fit it in your back pocket. Gen 3, this is what we're going to be focusing on today. There's new styles that we've been waiting for and an upgrade in the case. If you haven't heard of spectacles before, this will be a good intro video into the product. All the spectacles that are available to buy have similar hardware. You simply just press the button once to begin recording a 10-second snap or to take a picture. There are 3 models of specs available. They're all called spectacles too, so let me break it down. There's Original, which is the OG design of specs, and then Veronica and Nico. Veronica and Nico are the more fashion-forward versions. They don't look so techy and geeky, and they're not as obvious. Veronica is obviously the bigger frames, while Nico is the more Wayfarer frame. Both are gender-neutral styles, but with gender-specific names, so you might get confused. Spectacles take away the device between you and the moment. I've used specs in a few of my videos actually, and they're perfect for situations where I can't or shouldn't be on my phone. An example, riding a bird scooter, jumping in the ocean, or driving. As a content creator, I'm always trying to find new ways to capture everyday moments. These are just a few ways I find myself using specs, but I'm sure anyone can find their own individual use for them. So if you don't have Snapchat, this would be the time to download it before your specs come in the mail, because you do need it to pair and to import and export all of your videos and photos. What I also love is now you can export in multiple formats: widescreen, square, and Spectacles Original circle format. This makes it even easier to share snaps from spectacles on any platform. The cool thing about sharing in Snapchat is you could spin your phone to see more. That's a format that I haven't ever seen on any camera or app. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing to show you guys what comes with the new specs. Like I said, I have the Veronicas. These are gonna be the larger size frames, which I love. And then it also has some cool facts on the front. So they are polarized lenses, which is dope. None of the other spectacles came with polarized lenses. I've actually personally never had sunglasses with polarized lenses. All I can say is when you put them on, like, you can't really text because your phone looks all like weird colors, and then the sky is just like extremely blue during the day. There's probably more that polarized lenses do, but I'm just not gonna research it. HD photo and video, water resistant. Okay, so let's open it up. It did come with paper wrapping around it, which is really nice, with a little spectacles sticker. It did feel like I got something from like a high-end retailer, which was nice. So as you can see, the case is leather. Smells like real leather. I think it's real. And it's pretty much like a Ray-Ban case. Like, it just opens up like this. And then inside we have our, looks like our cable, our USB cable, and I've yet to open this, so let's open this up real quick. We're just gonna leave that on there. And it looks like a getting started guide. This also came with version 1 and 2 of spectacles. It's in all different languages, so I'm pretty sure this is sold around the world. If this is what I think it is, I'm gonna be so excited because it's like honestly my favorite part.
No.
They changed it. This used to be a same, like a little like lens cleaner, but it was the shape of the Snapchat ghost. Now it's like a spectacles logo. That's fine. At least it comes with one of these. I'm a little disappointed in that. So, opening up. Oh, as you can see before we do put the specs on, the inside is also suede, so that's super nice. So I'm pretty sure that helps like keep them like from getting scratched and stuff like that, so that's really cute. One thing that I'm a little bit upset about but not too upset, but like a little bit upset, is the case is not a charging case. The past 2 generations, the case has charged the spectacles, and this case is not a charging case. That's okay, but I don't know, I'm like a little upset about it. We'll see. Okay, the moment of truth. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Yes! No, like, this is my size sunglasses. When I try on sunglasses, I always want to think about people who are looking at me while I'm driving, and I don't want people to like see like this part of my face, like the corner of my eye, and I think this hides it really well. I also like how you can't really see the camera or the LEDs. In the old specs, as you can see right here, the chunks, you could like kind of see them in the corner of your eye. It was really distracting for me because I always wear sunglasses while I'm driving, and they just didn't feel comfortable. The inside is really cool. It has like this marbling plastic texture. First impression, I really like the size. I think I'll wear these a lot. And I also like how they're not too heavy. The past couple pairs of specs, let me try one on. You can kind of see how like the nose bridge right here has those nose pads, which is so annoying. If you wear makeup, it takes all of your makeup off. So like I would never wear these unless I was like not wearing makeup. These are a lot heavier than the new ones, but yeah, it would take my nose bridge makeup off, and that's just like, that ain't cute. This one doesn't have it, just has like the normal plastic nose bridge right here, which like, yeah, it kind of takes some of your makeup off, but it's not like 2 little dots that are like squeezing right here like aviators have that. It's so annoying. Okay, let's go outside. The lighting, it ain't right. It ain't right. Okay, so when we're talking about style, like if I think about like my own personal style, the kind of glasses I like, the specs are pretty dang close. Like, look how big these bad boys are. And then let's try on the specs. Boom. Pretty similar. I'm really excited. My favorite sunglass brand is QUAY. A lot of people say QUAY. The girl in Nordstrom always reminds me that it's QUAY. QUAY is known for like their plastic, pretty big but like really durable plastic. They cost around like $66. These cost $199, but they have a camera in them and have some pretty cool technology, so I think it's worth it if you're into creating content or social media. Just to wear as sunglasses, I think you can definitely find, you know, other ones out there that are more than half the price. I don't think they're too expensive. You can't really find a camera like this anywhere. A GoPro costs about, I don't know, like $200, $300. So I don't think you should get them if you're only looking to wear them for style. I think there's other brands out there that have similar styles. LED lights show your friends that you're snapping, and there's also an LED light on the inside that will let you know that you're snapping as well. If you press it once, you are recording a 10-second video. You can also press it up to 2 times more to record up to 30 seconds of video. Hold down to cut the video short, and then to take a photo, you just do a long hold, and there's your photo. Okay everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you guys liked it, press thumbs up. If you guys have a pair of spectacles and you want to send me some cool specs footage, I'd love to see it. Just add me on Snapchat and send me a DM there. And yeah, that's it.